हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू काइशो इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स पीएमएस यूट्यूब चैनल। अभी तक आपने अगर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल बटन भी ऑन कर दीजिए, तो आगे आने वाले सभी वीडियोज आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा उसका। हम देख रहे महाराष्ट्र स्टेट का क्लास स्टैंडर्ड 8 का चैप्टर है नंबर 4, अल्टीट्यूड एंड मीडियंस ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल्स। सो व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, उसका हम ऑर्थो सेंटर क्या है ये भी हम देखेंगे, मीडियन ऑफ सेंटर भी हम देखने वाले हैं, और सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, ये चार चीजें हम देखने वाले हैं। तो ये पूरा वीडियो ये पूरे कवर करेगा और आपको उसके बारे में कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करेगा। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी कि आप ये पूरा वीडियो देखिए। अगर आपके पास बुक्स है महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड्स के क्लास 8 के, तो आप वो भी रख सकते हैं आपके सामने। पेज नंबर 19 पे ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है। अगर आपके पास हार्ड कॉपी बुक्स नहीं है तो आप डिजिटल बुक्स भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने उसका लिंक दिया हुआ है। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने टॉपिक्स की तरफ। अल्टीट्यूड एंड मीडियंस। सो फर्स्ट हम देखने वाले अल्टीट्यूड। व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द अल्टीट्यूड? सी, in a triangle, on your screen you can see the nomenclature that one, the A, B and C. So the side AB, then BC and AC, these are the three sides, and vertices the A, B and C. So if we draw any line from the vertices and perpendicular on a opposite side of the vertices, means suppose this is the vertices A, opposite of this one side is the BC. So if we draw a perpendicular from the point A to side BC, so here, so that A, something here we will mention the point nomenclature B, suppose. So AD is a altitude on BC. So this is the 90 degree. So this is called altitude. Same as from the vertex B to draw altitude on AC. Now we will make a nomenclature of the perpendicular point as the E, and then F also from the C. So these are the altitudes. So all the triangles have the three altitudes. Of course, there are the three vertices. So altitude is passing from the vertices and perpendicular to the opposite sides. So this is the altitude of the triangles. So all the altitudes are meet at one point. If suppose that is a obtuse angle, that vertices are all the altitudes are meet at one point inside the circles. Okay, means we can say that is the interior point of the circles. So in that case, the point is inside the circles. If the triangle is obtuse angle, so that point meeting point of the all the altitude is outside the triangle, so that is called exterior angle, and these points are orthocenters. Okay, so means in a short summary we can say all the altitudes are meet at one point, that is called orthocenter. Okay, if there is a right angle, then orthocenter will lie on any one of the vertices. So for now this is the acute angle ABC. So this orthocenter is lie inside the triangle. Suppose if you draw a B C obtuse angle, suppose this is obtuse, now A, B and C. Now from the A, if you want to draw perpendicular on BC, we have to extend the BC in a backward direction, so that the perpendicular can we can draw from point A. So this is the point 1 here, and then suppose from the point B, if we draw perpendicular on AC here, same from the C, we have to draw on BC, so sorry AB, so we have to extend AB and we can draw here. But all these points means this point we have to extend furthermore, so that that can be extend somewhere and that can be meet somewhere like this. So this point is ortho center, This point is lie outside the circle. This is the this is the center A B C. So this point is lie on outside of the triangle. So this is called exterior orthocenter. If this is lie inside the triangle, then that is called interior orthocenter. In generally, all the obtuse angle have the orthocenter outside the triangle, and acute triangle have the orthocenter inside the triangle. So this is the altitude. Means altitude in a shortly, I will summarize it, is a line which is a perpendicular from vertices to the opposite of the sides. Okay, and all the altitudes meet at one point are called as the orthocenters. So now come goes to the next point, median of a triangle. Suppose this is a P, Q, and R. This is a triangle. So side PR, if we divide equally, and if we draw one point here, already I drawn here for explanation purpose. I will again make it the nomenclature. So here small a point, like that one, QR we will divide equally, and the point will mark out as a B. Same PQ we will divide equal parts, and the point we will mark out as a C. And we will, if we connect that point with the vertices opposite side of the vertices, that lines, means suppose here PB, QA and RC, these lines are medians. Okay, so these are the median. This is also one of the median, and this is also median. Okay, so all the medians are crossed at one point. So this is called centroid of the triangle. Now here one thing we have to remember, centroid is make the median. Now suppose this is a O is a centroid. If you mark here O, then point O means centroid is divide QA in a two part with 2:1 ratio. Okay, means QA divide in 2:2 ratio by O. Same PB divide 2:1 also. Then RC also divide 2:1. So this ratio is constant for all the centroids, for all the triangles. Okay. So we will cover in this video the 4 points. Altitude. Altitude is a perpendicular from the vertices to the opposite side. Then orthocenters means all the altitude gather one point crossing at a one point. So that center or that point is called orthocenter. Then median. Median is a side centers to the opposite of the vertices. That line is called median, and all the medians are connected at one point or crossing at one point. That point is at a center. So we will in the books also there are some examples. So please try to make it that. Also, those are get our paid versions for the online tuitions. They will receive the assignments also for the solving purpose. And if they have any problem or they have face any doubts, so make a comments on this video also. So we will meet in next video. Okay, thank you.